Today, we're gonna talk about how to do leg raises to hip lift. First, start by laying down on your back on the floor with your legs straight and your hands next to your body. Start by raising your legs until you reach a 90 degrees angle at your hips. And from this point, kick your hip off the floor using your core as much as you can. Go down and return your legs to the starting position and repeat. Make sure not to go with your legs all the way back and then raising your hips, as it will remove the whole tension from your core. Keep on repeating until the set is complete.